So this is something new to me. You know, after getting into filmmaking about a year ago, I quickly found myself with my sights set on getting a gimbal. I made a video talking about, you know, how you shouldn't buy things at the end of summer, which you can watch right, I think it's this side. It actually might be this side. It's one of the sides. And I was talking about, you know, getting the original Ronin S, which came out in 2018. But then, like I said, DJI tweeted out that they had something new to announce at the end of September, only for it to get delayed until obviously October. So I held out until November 11th, which was just this past Wednesday, placed my order from Vistech. Is it from Vistech or to Vistech or at Vistech? Either way, I picked it up on the same day. After some growing pains of setting it up and, you know, balancing it and all that kind of stuff with the help of my girl, of course, we finally got it to work, and we got to work. We started testing it out right away, and this thing right here, I mean, it just blew my mind. I mean, this is the first gimbal I've ever used, and in my mind, it's just amazing. But obviously, like I said, it's the first one I've ever used. As you can see from the clips right here, this was literally right after we balanced it. This was without any fine tuning, without, you know, anything like that. This was just a test to see, you know, how the clips were coming out. This was, you know, like, say you just got your PS5 and, you know, you hooked it up, you took it out of the box, you hooked it up, and, you know, you just wanted to play. Like, you didn't manage your cables, you didn't necessarily set it up like in your entertainment console, whatever you want to call it, because you were just too excited. You know, now you might be asking, well, why did I buy this gimbal? Well, I bought it because I believe that it will further my filmmaking skills, because like I said in a couple videos, I do want to incorporate some, you know, movement into my videos to make it a little more, let's call it, dynamic. This would save me enormous amounts of time versus if I had to keyframe in the movement in Final Cut, you know, when editing the video. But, you know, I'm not gonna make this video too long, so I'm gonna end the talking portion here. But if you do want to, you know, watch a few clips of using the gimbal versus not using the gimbal, you can watch, you know, some of that now. And as always, thanks for watching.